In chapters 7 and 8, the author discusses how the system acquisition process is extremely important because the organization as a whole needs to determine what system to use that would improve the organization's current processes. Along with purchasing a system from vendors and creating a system in-house, using a system from an application service provider is another way to acquire a system. What is an application service provider? In the healthcare setting, an application service provider uses cloud software that allows organizations to access over the internet the healthcare information system that would generally be located within the organization servers. It has emerged due to faster internet and being able to maintain EHRs offsite. The business is responsible for maintaining the application and supporting the hardware while the healthcare organization pays the monthly fee. What are the main benefits of using this service? First of all, clinicians do not need to hold the software on site and do not need to update it. For small practices that cannot hire IT staff, it is a cost-efficient way to utilize a HIS. They would not need to pay high upfront costs for software. It would just be a continuous stream of payments to the business. This gives the organization access to computing and large storage facilities that they do not need to hold. For EHR data especially, the amount of data needed to be stored is astronomical. Also, due to the information being online, sharing the EHR to other organizations and providers will allow for easy access to the information, which would reduce duplicate testing and allow for better comprehensive care for the patient. Providers would be able to coordinate care much better among different organizations by using these systems. Health information exchange can be done in an instant if both providers are able to see the same information at the same time. Finally, data analysis is easier to use on these electronic systems than on paper. This would help improve quality of care because the organization would know their patient population better and how to better serve them. What are the main challenges by using the service? First of all, a major problem with this is the security of the system. Because healthcare data has many regulations regarding security and confidentiality, cloud vendors need to take these into account when making their systems. In addition, organizations need to be careful in which vendors they pick so they will not violate HIPAA. Covered entities such as the healthcare organization and business associates need to adhere to HIPAA. Also, due to these regulations, cloud computing technology in the healthcare industry has not been improving as rapidly as it can be. Laws are causing delay in improvement. Another problem with utilizing an application service provider is the stability of the cloud vendor's business. If the cloud vendor shuts down or is unstable, how will the organization transfer that data to another cloud health information system? These would disrupt operations or interfere with regulations. Finally, the organization may not have all of its needs met by the system. Because these systems are widely distributed, if the organization is specialized, they won't have the features that the organization requires.